guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Rada, and today's video I will be doing a review for this beautiful YSL envelope wallet. If you follow me for a while, you probably have seen this wallet here and there in my video, especially what's in my bag, sometimes unboxing videos, so feel free to go back and check them out. I think it's a good time to talk a little bit more about this wallet because I love it so much. I have this wallet from the beginning of the year and now it's almost a year of using, so I also want to talk a little bit about the pros and the cons and how I like it so far, and I also want to show you guys how I style this wallet as a bag. I hope you guys enjoy, and let's get into the video. Every time I do a video, I always give a compliment on this wallet, and I think it should be nice to give you guys some honest review. And yeah, this is a small envelope wallet. I got this in color noir and the silver hardware, as you can see. And the reason I chose this wallet is just because the size of it. It is so perfect size for me. It's not too small and it's not too big. It's very practical and absolutely beautiful. I love how classic it looks. Very timeless design, which I love. The length of this bag is 5.3 inches and the height is about 3.7, and the thickness of this bag is about 1.1 inches, which I think is the perfect size for me. And I have a reason I chose the silverware instead of the gold. I am a person who can't stand scratches. The gold one might have the possibility to lose the color, so I decided to stick with the silver one. And also I believe that the silver is more casual. It will be easier to match with the outfit. Now I will show you guys how the interior looks like. It has a snap button closer. If you open it, there will be the one compartment for card slots. I think it carries a lot of cards. There are a few videos out there show how many cards can fit in this wallet, but I don't use that much cards, so I don't really care too much about that, but you guys can check those out. There is also one compartment in the bag, and you can definitely put your cards, your ID, or any essential card that you usually use it. What I noticed about this wallet after using for about 6-7 months is that there is a spot of peeling letters. I heard a lot of people talk about this and I'm concerned about that. Yeah, it looks like it happens first on the edge of the wallet, which is kind of sad because I really take a very good care of my bags. Now I'm gonna put everything back in the wallet, and I'm gonna leave them there because I don't want to ruin any of the card slots. You can fold the cash like this and leave it right there. Now you kind of have an idea about this wallet, so let's talk about the pro and the cons before we get into the styling portions. The pro of this wallet is obviously it's a beautiful practical wallet, very easy to use. It can carry a lot of cards, has such a lot of space to put everything inside. Speaking of the price, I think it is really reasonable. I got this for $425 without tax. For the cons, I think it will be peeling letters because I've heard a lot of people talk about this, and it's actually just happened. And the leather of this bag, because this bag made with 90% craft skin, leathers are very sensitive with water, alcohol gels, alcohol. One day I used my hand sanitizer and it spilled on this leather and it has some kind of stain on it, so got to be very careful with this kind of leather. So yeah, other than that, it's very easy to take care of because the leather itself is very textury. It has no signs of scratches or anything, and luckily that I have the silverware, so I don't have to worry too much about scratches on the hardware. That is very good because it's gonna drive me nuts. Besides having it as a wallet, I also enjoy having it as a crossbody bag. So today I brought some chains just to style with it, so I'm so excited. I usually have these silver chains to use as a crossbody bag, but today's I think it would be fun to have another kind of fancy chains, so I decided to order a couple of the chains which is this one. Black leather. So here is that. Very nice. Kind of heavy, which doesn't look cheap at all. I got this for like $8 or something. So I also got some kind of pearl chains as well. I found this very interesting. In one order, it has so many chains in different lengths. So excited to try them on. So if you guys are interested in these chains, I will put the link in down below so you guys can check them out. So this is what I do to attach the chains, is that I will find some card that I don't use. I will make a hole on these both sides. I will put this card inside the card slot in a very end, and then I will attach with the chains. You close the wallet and you got the crossbody bag. This is such a very good hack to have a mini bag, and these days especially we are all into the mini bag. This is such a perfect small bag and it's so stylish. Now let's try with the leather chin strap. I think this is gonna be very cute. This one has a bigger clasp than that one. Wow, this chain is absolutely stunning, and I wanna say this chain doesn't look cheap at all. Love this so much. I will show you guys how I styled this. Definitely my favorite so far. Now let's try with the pearl strap, because this is also very interesting. It's kind of out of my comfort zone, to be honest, but I kind of wanna see how it's give the difference of vibes and all that. Ooh, that is cute, isn't it? This is the shortest versions and it is so cute. Now I'm gonna show you guys how I style it, so let's go. And that is it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys like this kind of video, please give me a like, subscribe, and then I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.